This is another lila. One day Radha and Krishna are intimately enjoying themselves in the kunj, and a mandri is relishing the sweetness of the pastimes through some holes in the vines. It appears to the mandri that there's some obstacle in the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. But Radha and Krishna are so absorbed in ecstatic, amorous pastimes, they don't notice anything. But the maidservant then notices that Radha and Krishna's hair gets all stuck because Radha has these nose rings and nose pearl. Krishna also nose pearl and makar kundali, and so many ornaments. So their hair gets all loose and it gets all entangled. They're all tied up. So the mandri carefully enters the kunj so as not to disturb them, and without even disturbing, unravels all their hairs. So the amorous pastimes can continue. Who else can perform such a clever, intimate seva? There's another example of Varadasi, excellent seva. Lita and Vishaka couldn't come in there at that time. So these are examples of Varadasi, excellent service, which are attained by chanting the name of Radha. That's interesting. Conclusion of it all. So Varadasi, the excellent service of Radharani, is attained by chanting the name of Radha. Jaya Jaya Radha Nam Brindavan Jaradam Krishna Sukhavila Saranidhi. Narottam Das praise and praying Bhakti Chandrika. Jai Jai Radha Nam. It lives in Vrindavan. Vrindavan Dham. And is a jewel of Krishna's blissful pastimes. Lilas Nidhi. Nidhi means jewel. This is a point he's making, and he concludes her purport by making a point about the glory of the service, the glory of Radha's seva. Krishna himself is very happy when someone calls him Radha Sevika. Radha is actually Radha Sevak. And someone says, "Oh, Krishna, you're Radha Sevak." Everyone else is designated as Krishna Das. Ekala Ishvara Krishna Arasabhivritya. There's one Ishvara, Ekala Ishvara, Ek Ishvara Krishna, and everyone else is a Britya. Britya means servant. But in Radha Dham and Vrindavan, Radharani is the queen, and here in the queendom, everyone's a servant of the queen. So Krishna's Radha Sevak. And Krishna, these cowboys made jokes through Balashriya. You're just a Radha Sevak. Everyone says they're Krishna's Sevak, but you yourself, this is another one example, one-upmanship, right? Everyone's Krishna's Sevak, Krishna's servant, Chivera Surupaya Krishna Nityadas. But the Gopas know that Krishna himself, whom everyone else is serving, he's Radha Sevak. That's a nice point. He says, Krishna is very happy when someone calls him Radha Sevak, but almost nobody ever calls him that. That's what he said. Almost nobody ever calls him that. That means only the manjaris do. Krishna is so much under the control of Radharani that he's willing to give everything. Krishna is willing to give everything to those who serve Radharani. You hear that? Krishna himself is so much controlled by Radharani's love. It's called Prem Vasi Bhut. Vasi means control. He's so much controlled by Radharani's love that he's willing to give anything to someone who serves her. That's a fact. He'll give you a house in Vrindavan, a house in Radhakund. It's a gift of Krishna.